जो whites में चल रहा है, and the nikah was of course an extremely emotional outfit. So tell me about it, how that came together.
Oh, the nikah outfit, that is a very very special outfit for me, and मैं इतनी खुश हूँ कि आंटी ने अपने कपड़े प्रिजर्व करके रखे हुए थे. So the दुपट्टा I wore, ये आंटी ने अपनी शादी पे पहना था, और इसके साथ पूरा आउटफिट भी है which I will wear at some point. लेकिन मैं शादी के लिए I didn't want to meddle with it. मैं उसको चेंज नहीं करना चाहती थी बिल्कुल भी. So we only restored the दुपट्टा to leave the outfit as it is. और फिर I took it to Ranos, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि Ranos से better restoration कोई नहीं करता. And I think Rano aunty and Jahanur, I think record time में उन्होंने मेरा outfit बनाया है. I hope that I can, or you can at some point sit with them and ask them about the process.
Yeah, I'd love to.
Jahanur told me कि उसने कभी भी, I think she said 28 days is a record time for us to make this outfit.
They made it in 20, that means it can happen in 28 days.
No,
but
I think I told them that either it's you guys or I'm going with the original outfit. क्योंकि मैं ये restoration का risk ना, ये मैं दुपट्टा कहीं और दे ही नहीं सकती हूँ. So I think वो शायद रानो आंटी के दिल पे लगी मेरी बात, and she agreed to do it. And I think मेरी निकाह से पिछली रात को I received the outfit. तो मुझे पता था कि आई एम रिस्टोरिंग आंटीज आउटफिट, उन्होंने अपनी शादी पे पहना है, एंड देन आंटी गिव मी अमीर्स दादीज ज्वेलरी टू वेयर विद द आउटफिट. सो ये सब मुझे पता था लाइक इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट आई थिंक ऑन द डे व्हेन आई एक्चुअली वोर इट, आई थिंक इन दैट मोमेंट आई रियलाइज हाउ much it meant to me to do this, and I'm so glad I did. And I would really hope that I can pass this on to my daughter or my daughter-in-law.
But it must have also meant a lot to Amir.
Yeah. Amir ke dada, when he saw me at the nikah, he started crying because it was his wife's jewelry from her wedding. जो दादी ने अपनी शादी पर पहनी थी, वो jewelry थी.
Dadi is
no, she's no more. So everybody got really really emotional, and Amir's mom's khala got really emotional कि oh this दुपट्टा मैंने हिना को देखा हुआ इस दुपट्टे में. So I think it was really emotional for everyone, and I'm so glad कि emotionally तो बहुत प्यारा था ही. The look also came together really well.
Absolutely.
And I thought it was like it was better than what I had expected for my nikah.
Yeah. और फिर अगला दिन था.
अगला दिन का जो outfit
रुखसती का.
That Urva selected. Yeah, that outfit
beautiful.
Urva chose.
Like was it a peach and gold? Was it a?
It was champagne. Like you can't really put a finger on the
color of the hair.
लेकिन मेरा जो set था जो मैंने अपनी रुखसती पे पहना है, वो मामा ने मेरे लिए कुछ साल पहले बनवा लिया था.
Right.
You know how when your parents get a little fever and they're like अपनी जिम्मेदारियां पूरी कर लो,
जेवर पूरा कर लो.
It was one of those things. My mom was unwell and she said इस तुम चलो ज्वेलर के पास, तुम्हारी शादी की ज्वेलरी बनानी है. So this the jewelry set has been with me for some time. The matha patti and everything. And ये तब भी बड़े शौक से, बड़ी सोच, माथा पट्टी इनफैक्ट अभी बनी है. ये हमने साथ में डिजाइन की because we thought कि अच्छी लगेगी with the outfit. और फिजान भाई ने भी बड़ी लास्ट मिनट मेरे साथ बैठ के डिजाइन की, और we started from having sketches on paper.
Oh wow, okay.
So I think ये भी एक महीने में, I mean it's amazing how everyone came together to make things happen for me and for Amir. आपको अपनी शादी पे एहसास होता है आप कितने loved हो. So I think that I truly felt with every person I worked with my outfits and jewelry and everything. लेकिन ये outfit select उर्वा ने किया था.
सानिया मुस्का थी, I think.
Yeah, and then when we ordered it, हमने उसमें कुछ चीजें थोड़ी सी customize कराई थी. I had a little brooch here that said Mavra Amir.
Okay.
Small things, small details. So yeah, that was also a very special one.
I must say everybody kept it a good secret जब ये चीजें बन रही थी, तो obviously उनको तो पता होगा.
जी, and I think they kept it a secret to kind of show their respect for us.
Absolutely.
मेरा नहीं ख्याल मैंने कभी भी किसी भी डिजाइनर या किसी से इतना seriously approach करके कोई बात की होगी इन 10 सालों में. I've been the kid on the block, and I've worked with all of them. I've had such good experiences with all of them. So I think when I went to them and said, देखें ये बात किसी से नहीं करनी, ये मेरे लिए बहुत दिल के करीब बात है.
So they respected you for that.
Yeah, I think they showed a lot of respect. Then Khatija did the final outfit.
The walima.
हाँ, I think वो भी उससे बेहतर नहीं हो सकता था.
And again, completely changed the look. It was like,
I knew I want to wear ice blue.
Ice
that
blues,
I knew. but rest of it was
It's your color. Blues are your color, absolutely, for sure. But you know, the diamonds, they were a completely different.
yeah. The
vibe.
jewelry was of course, but auntie
हाँ.
gave it to me, so वो सब auntie का
हाँ.
talent है. The jewelry also went so well with the outfit.
So well with it. You
Yeah.
didn't know before? You knew?
No, I
Oh.
knew. She knew my outfit's ice blue.
Right.
And I knew that she's doing the jewelry.
Right.
But I don't think, Amna, that I was worked up about anything.
हाँ.
मुझे पता था it'll
all work.
It'll all
all
work
come
out.
together.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि सबकी इतनी अच्छी जब इंटेंशन होती है to make it happen for you, तो चीजें अपने
हो जाती हैं.
सबसे खूबसूरत तरीके से
Were you coordinating your outfits with Ameer? Were you selecting his outfits for looks
No,
for him?
actually, not at all.
कुछ पता था कि वो क्या पहन रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है?
So, जो अमीर ने निकाह पे आउटफिट पहना है वो तो इट वाज सिलेक्टेड बाय आंटी. वो आंटी ने कलर और फैब्रिक और वो सब, but Muneeb bhai also made Muneeb Nawaz, he also did a fantastic job on the chadar and everything. But I think that color came from auntie. Auntie suggested it to Ameer and Ameer really liked it. For the wedding day, I really wanted him to wear like a powder pink because we were, making that sherwani for him.
Yeah.
So I asked him and he said, "Are you sure?" I said, "Okay, I'll safe side make a white and black for you, but
If you
why
can.
don't you wear a powder pink?"
Powder pink, हाँ.
And he very sweetly agreed.
हाँ.
But actually Ameer की शेरवानी से बाद मेरा आउटफिट फाइनल हुआ क्योंकि पहले आई वाज एक्चुअली गोइंग फॉर सम अदर ब्राइडल फॉर माय रुखसती एंड देन उर्वा सेड नहीं
यही है,
ये वाला है, ये दिस इज योर कलर. एंड आई थिंक द मोमेंट उर्वा शोड इट टू मी आई इमीडिएटली थॉट हाँ यही है, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. और वो नेचुरली मैच भी हो गया मेरी उस ज्वेलरी से जो मामा ने बनाई हुई थी. सो एवरीथिंग जस्ट फेल इन प्लेस. एंड अमीर का सूट फॉर द वलीमा आल्सो, दैट्स आल्सो मुनीब नवाज.
राइट.
एंड आई थिंक नोबडी डज इट better than
so
him.
everybody was working in tandem, सब
Yeah.
कुछ साथ साथ चल रहा और एक
Yeah.
खुला बिल्कुल रिलैक्स माहौल था.
Yeah.
चिल वाइब थी.
Yeah.
चिल वाइब
I
थी.
think I was very chill. So was Ameer. हमारे पेरेंट्स भी बहुत चिल थे. Actually कोई भी परेशान नहीं हो रहा था.
Yeah.
माशाल्लाह सबको पता था कि सब हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
And events क्योंकि घरों में थे, हम बहुत रिलैक्स थे. हमारे जो events planners हैं उनको भी पता था इवेंट्स घरों में है. So they also had a very different homely vibe.
बिल्कुल.
Planned out for the events. So I think बस सबने बहुत मिलके सब कुछ बहुत प्यारा बना दिया.
Of course, you guys were stars of all 3 days, but I have to say the Shendi जो रुखसती वाला दिन था, Urva and Farhan completely stole the show
Of
with the
course,
dances and
of
Farhan का
course,
जो
they were
concert
so
था,
amazing.
we were like, man, बहनोई हो तो ऐसा हो फिर. हाँ.
They were so amazing. They were such brilliant hosts
Yeah.
at my Rukhsati. I mean, I have always received so much love from them,
Yeah.
and the world knows how much we love each other. But I think that this wedding was really special, really special. आप सोचें आपकी फैमिली आपसे बचपन से ही बहुत प्यार करती है, so it's not like you've never seen that love. But the way I witnessed it, sitting on that sofa,
Yeah.
it was incredible. I was crying throughout my
मैं
Rukhsati
पूछने
day.
लगी थी कि रोया कौन कौन.
Throughout.
तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा सलमा, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा.
Throughout.
Everybody was
Everybody.
crying. But
Emotions.
my sister's mother-in-law said कि सिर्फ तुम्हारे माँ बाप नहीं, हम भी तुम्हें रुखसत करें, and she was also teary-eyed.
Teary-eyed.
So I think I've had that individual relationship with everyone in my family and extended family and friends. My friends' parents were crying. So I think it was very special. I truly felt the love.
A lot of emotion, a lot of love. Fantastic.
Yeah.
और कितने दिन की छुट्टी मिली जिसमें ये सब कुछ स्क्वीज हुआ था between shoots and
15 days.
15 days.
Yeah.
उससे पहले किस चीज का शूट?
यही अगर तुम
साथ हो का शूट है, फिर शादी है,
हाँ,
फिर रिज्यूम.
अगर तुम साथ हो के जब वो स्पेल रैप हुआ था, जो कि वो खुद से रैप हो रहा था. ये छुट्टियां हमारी हमेशा से स्पेल्स का पार्ट थी. ये हमने